know these are the letters of the alphabet. The letters A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. Today we will learn the long O sound. Say it with me. O, O, O. He is my grandfather. He is old, but he is very strong. He plays with me and also tells me funny stories that I hear under this tree. Old, O-L-D, old. This is a nest on the tree. A bird has laid some eggs there. What is the shape of these eggs? Square? No, it's an oval. Oval, oval. Let's draw the shape oval. Open, open, open the door. Open, open. Let's put the letter E at the end of the words to make the short O sound into long O. Born, bone. Hop, hope. Stone, stone. Nop, nope. Rope, rope. Rob, robe. Corn, cone.
Like, share and subscribe.